My name is Rachel and I studied a business degree at Hunan Agricultural University in my home country, China. Through their pathway option with UniSA, I traveled to LA to continue my studies with a Master of Professional Accounting, which I completed in 1.5 years instead of 2, thanks to credit from my previous studies. The university really helped me to achieve my career goals as I had a clear interest in pursuing a career in accounting, particularly in auditing. During my studies, I took an auditing subject which has helped me immensely in my current job, working as an auditor at Deloitte. After graduating, I reached out to one of my lecturers, Dr. May, to help me with transitioning into the workforce. She recommended a graduate opportunity at Deloitte, who are one of the largest accounting and professional services firms in the world. She gave me support and encouragement throughout the interview process, and finally, I got the job offer. To me, this shows how much the staff care about the career opportunity for students. I feel like I have already grown so much in my career at Deloitte, where I work on a variety of auditing projects and collaborate with the financial teams of our clients to understand their business operations and the details of financial reporting.
Deloitte Adelaide and UniSA have partnered to support the mock interview program that UniSA runs for their accounting students. This initiative is aimed at preparing students for real-world job interviews and engages senior members of our audit team, including partners, to conduct the interviews. The program has also enabled our staff to identify talent and offer them graduate roles at Deloitte, helping us build a truly diverse and inclusive workplace.
South Australia offers quality education and diverse culture. In my free time, I enjoy playing squash, badminton, and hiking. I love trying out different cafes and restaurants and spending time outdoors, whether it's hiking in the hills, relaxing at the beach, or having a picnic in the park. Adelaide's affordable living costs and city life make it an ideal destination for an enriching academic journey.